What's in your stocking,
It says mute.
Don't hit that button. No, don't play with the stocking. Open it up.
You gotta show him how.
He's like, no, but I'll put it in my mouth. What's in there? Get. Now pull it out. He still wants the wrapping paper.
Now he sees it.
You open up the other present. So, Dad, what you got?
What you got? What that boy? You got a phone? Oh.
What's in here? Now, rip it open. There you go. Come on, keep whipping. Oh, you did it.
What you got?
What is that? Okay, so Daddy, what you got?
What you got? You got a ball?
Alright, let's open up another gift. Yeah. I'm ready to go now. Alright, open it up. You gotta whip it, honey. Whee! You just want to wrap it. What's inside this? So did that.
What you got? A turtle? You got a turtle. Yeah.
Let's open this one. Yeah, come on, whip it. You gotta help me. Come on, you gotta help me open it. What's in there? Sit down,
Just give me the paper. We got all kinds of toys. What you got? You getting a pile of toys.
Which one do I want to open? This one. Big present. Rip it open. You gotta help.
This is his first Christmas. I guarantee you after this he won't have any trouble opening these things.
Hey, no eating the wrapper paper. Uh-oh, what's in there?
What in the world is that thing? A horsey?
It's for his car seat. Sit that there.
What you got?
Alright. Let's see, what else are we going to open up while we're waiting on Lala? We'll open this up. And that's it. What, no, let's open this one. This one's an actual toy. There you go. Get it, boy.
He got that paper all in his mouth.
Hey! No choking on Christmas. Look, here he is.
Oh, Mario. He put it back in the box.
Take it back. I don't Alright, that's all we're going to open up till Lala gets here. Hit the red button.